بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والصلاة والسلام على سيد الخلق المرسلين محمد عبد الله. My title in Siminar, Biochemistry of Cell Organelles and Functions. My supervisor, Dr. Abu Sari Ali, and my name is Abdul Majid Al-Rotaini. My objectives here: introduction about the organelles in the cell, and principles of biochemistry of cell organelles, cell membrane, and nuclear components, and cytoplasmic components. You can see here nucleus structures, nuclear pore, nucleolus, and nuclear membrane. Nuclear. And Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus functions is collection of material. And the centriole in animal cell, because to divide it cell in any or in animal cell. Lysosome, the lysosome here to digestive. Give the digestive any materials enter the cell, you can give me the digestive. And here cytoplasm, cell membrane to protect the cell, and here mitochondria. Mitochondria give the cell energy, ATP, to form ATP. Smooth endoplasmic and rough endoplasmic. Rough endoplasmic covered by ribosomes. Why covered by ribosomes? Because produce protein. And smooth endoplasmic, it's site of lipid protein to synthesis. Cell membrane, phospholipid bilayer, containing proteins, cholesterol, carbohydrates. Phospholipid bilayer may be polar, may be non-polar. Polar heads outside and inside, non-polar tails in anterior the cell membrane. Functions of phospholipid bilayer: separate cell containers from the environment, regulates movement of substances into and out of the cell. You can see here lipid bilayer, phospholipid bilayer. You can see here, this is the polar head and this is the non-polar head inside the cell membrane. You can hear integral protein, and this is the carbohydrate. And this is the non-polar tails. This is unloving the water, and polar is loving water. Phospholipid, hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tails. Hydrophilic you can love in the water, and hydrophobic is not loving the water. Cell channels. This channels is made up of keratin proteins whose function is to control the movement of food and water into the cell. This is the cell channel function. You can see here food and water into the cell. The nucleus. The nucleus structures outer membrane and inner membrane, and a nucleoplasm, nucleolus in the heart, same the heart of the nucleus, and chromatin. You can see here to carry of DNA, nuclear envelope, and pore in nuclear envelope. Look here, this is the pore in nuclear envelope. The double membrane surrounding the chromosomes and the nucleolus continuously with endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear pores control factors for gene transcription and cell signaling to move around. Nucleolus is a structure inside the nucleus with chromatin activity and transcripting ribosomal for synthesis DNA and RNA molecules. Mitochondria, you can see here mitochondria in the cell. Mitochondria structure, outer membrane and inner membrane, crystal and matrix. Matrix inside the inner membrane. Site of aerobic metabolism. Maybe catabolism, maybe anabolism, and he releases energy for food in the form of ATP. This is the mitochondria function inside the cell. Rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, a network of interconnected membranes covered by ribosomes. Why covered by ribosomes? To produce protein. And why called rough? Because ribosomes attach the wall of the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It's site of a protein synthesis because ribosomes here, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, a network of interconnected membranes, but not covered by ribosomes. Not covered by ribosomes, so it's not protein synthesis, but lipid synthesis inside the cell. You can see here three-dimensional endoplasmic reticulum. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum because ribosomes is attached to the wall. And here you can see smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And you can see here nucleus, nuclear envelope on the wall. Ribosomes. It consists of two subunits, small and large. You can see here large in the blue color and here small in the red color. It shares protein synthesis in the cell. This is the function of ribosomes in the cell to protein synthesis in the cell. Some ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm, but most attached to the rough endoplasmic or endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi apparatus. A series of stacked membranes carry materials from the rough endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus. You can see it. Cell secretions, for example, hormones and neurotransmitters are packed in a secretory vesicles. You can see here secretory vesicles. Here and here. At the Golgi apparatus, then transported the cell surface of release. This is function of secretory vesicles to transport. Lysosome is a membrane bound organelle contain hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes necessary for intercellular digestion. This is the function of lysosome, digestion. And it helps degradation of materials ingested by the cell. Lysosome here, brictosomes, is responsible for protecting the cell from its one production. For example, it produces and degrades hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, a toxic compound that can be produced during metabolism. Cytoskeleton. A cytoskeleton is arrays of protein filaments in the cytosol or cytoplasm. It gives the cell its shape and provides basis of movement. This is function of cytoskeleton in the cell. For example of cytoskeleton, 1. Microtubules and microfilaments. Thank you very much. And this is my reference, biochemistry. Thank you. the deoxy أساسية لكن ما صح. نيوكليك أسيد. Any question? شكرا.
الشباب يسألوا يا جماعة. الشباب لازم يسألوا. فارس وسكن في ستودنتس. كله بيسأل. اتفضل.
عايزين كم بالكاميرا النظيفة دي. أنا عارف إنها نظيفة أوي. هظبطك صالح. هظبطك سامي.
What's called the lysosome without enzyme? I mean after finishing of enzyme. Is name of it? I have a name, I think, residual body. This is the name of lysosome without any enzyme.
Endoplasmic or what?
Lysosome without any enzyme. What's called?
Yeah, I think free lysosome. I think.
Or I think residual body is another name.
Okay.
بصوا يا شباب، هنخلي الدسكشن بعد نهاية الايه البرزنتيشن كما هو متبع قبل كده. اتفقنا؟ نخليها في الآخر خالص عشان بس الانترابشن. شكرا.
شكرا.